We are Team EcoPods. Hi, I'm Francesca and my teammates are Sophia, Taylor, and Ava.
I guess I'll use this Tide Pod. Here is one of our members, Sophia, using a Tide Pod. She does not know the dangers it presents. Here's one of our very own members, Taylor, taking a swim when she suddenly sees a fish choking on a Tide Pod. This scenario represents the often overlooked dangers microplastics pose to marine life.
Microplastics, despite being tiny pieces of plastic, pose the greatest risk to our environment. They are everywhere from the clouds to the oceans and even in our bloodstreams. They devastate ecosystems, harm marine life, and are linked to many health issues in humans, such as cancer and fertility problems. One source of microplastics is from polyvinyl alcohol.
Polyvinyl alcohol, or PVA, is a main ingredient in Tide Pods, making them harmful to both humans and the environment. When Tide Pods dissolve, PVA binds with water molecules, contaminating water that flows into the ground through wastewater systems. Water and microbes can metabolize dissolved PVA, but wastewater flows too quickly for this to happen. Aging pipes and incomplete metabolization result in untreated wastewater entering natural waterways. This is how Tide Pods ultimately harm the earth.
Our solution to this problem is our very own EcoPods. They eliminate microplastic pollution with a biodegradable sphere constructed of materials like sodium alginate, calcium gluconate, and biodegradable sausage casing. We started off doing preliminary research. We then found and experimented with a method called reverse spherification. Later on, we experimented with sausage casings. For our beginning research, we discovered where microplastics are found and how they are harmful to our planet. We researched what makes up a Tide Pod and more eco-friendly ingredients, while also finding methods to carry out our experiment.
For our first experiments, we used the process of reverse spherification. Reverse spherification is a culinary technique used to form a bubble by immersing a liquid containing calcium, in this case our detergent, into a sodium alginate or seaweed mixture. We started by using distilled water and branched out to incorporate different ratios of detergent and other ingredients like citric acid. The effective solution was 25% of the more organic detergent. For the ingredients for reverse spherification, we primarily used sodium alginate and calcium gluconate. For the ice cubes that form the spheres, we used a variety of ingredients. We used multiple types of detergent, including one more environmentally friendly organic one, which we found to be more successful. We also used ingredients like vinegar and citric acid to try to balance out the pH. The following slides contain charts detailing the exact measurements, results, and errors for each of our reverse verification experiments.
We use sausage casing for extra security around the bubble. We first put sausage casing around dishwasher pod liquid to see if it would disintegrate in the warm water at high speeds. It worked, so we decided to experiment with actual Tide Pod detergent in the casing. As an additional test, we decided to put a spherified bubble in the sausage casing and simulated a washing machine with the magnetic stirrer. It dissolved immediately, and it further demonstrated that our experiment would work in a real situation. EcoPods, cleaning seas, saving lives, where microplastics can't survive.
Thanks for listening.